Hi, today I'm going to show you how to monetize Wi-Fi hotspots by building a distributor channel using Powerlynx Reseller Portal. This matters most in cash-based markets where Wi-Fi is sold as printed code over counter. The model is very simple. The reseller funds a prepaid balance, orders vouchers against it, and sells them while you keep the control of all plans, prices, and locations. It's built to work for both sides of the deal. If you are the operator, this is about distribution. So shops, kiosks, and agents that resell your Wi-Fi become your points of sale. Increasing using traffic, upfront payments. This is very important that you receive money at first and then they are busy reselling your Wi-Fi. And for reseller, it's a clean margin business. They buy vouchers from you at a wholesale price, then they sell it at their own markup and keep the difference in cash. They don't need to wait another week or month to receive a payout. They instantly receive money in cash and they benefit from it because their audience, they don't pay with Visa, they use to pay with cash, with voucher systems like one voucher, flash. So this is very beneficial for them because their audience already know all their details, no different hard setups or anything. So let me show you how to configure everything and how to use it within the next 5 minutes. So first of all, we'll start from our default admin page where we will configure everything. So while we are on our dashboard, thing where we go is config and select reseller and organizations. So once we are there, we have two tabs, reseller and organizations and analytics. In the analytics tab, we can see all our resellers. We can filter by organization and also select the time period. Now, this is basic analytics. We will be improving it with the feedback that you receive from you guys, because this is like a first iteration that we just released. So how to add your reseller? We will review based on this example that we have right now here. We could just create new organization by pressing this button, but I will show you how to do this based on this example. So once you press this, there are three tabs that you need to follow. First of all, you add basic things as organization name, status, country, currency, symbol, and just business type. This the things that you just need for basic organization. Then you add the primary contact person for this organization that you will be dealing with. Then you select your commercial model. Here in this sector, you can have two types how you work with your resellers. You can either give a discount to your existing plans in percentage, or you can set a fixed amount that you dedicate from each plan, and basically everything is automatic. Discount will be applied automatically to all these plans when they purchase it. So then you select the branding name for this reseller, basic things as invoice and tax, because for these transactions, invoice will be automatically created in your billing system. So you fill it with customers' details, so you have everything in place. Then the next step, you have a location section. In this location section, you select where this hotspot will be available, because different customers might have different locations. So there might be a chain of stores, or there might be just a hotel, a chain of hotels. So they might be different locations. So you can centrally link them all together, and then your admin of that reseller organization will be able to manage it. So in this example, let's just set a test environment, and also you can add multiple payment options, so it will be easier for your reseller to top up your balance, because they can top up the balance by paying you directly in cash, or from their dashboard top up in their card. Also, the last step, you can link the SMS gateway that you are using. It will be possible to send voucher details via SMS for that organization. So we'll press save. Okay. Then two other sections, members. In this section, it is possible to add different admins for this organization. We can assign admins that are in our system, or also we can assign the role. We have three roles like owner, manager, and viewer. Owner has full control over this organization. They can manage settings, they can manage billing details, they can see all reports, they can configure everything. Manager can have basically everything that owner except changing basic organization settings and also billing details and billing actions. And also you can see that we have a viewer that might be your cashier or person that doesn't have access to the system but also can just see all vouchers. They can see reports. They can see transaction history. Is everything okay? This is just read-only access for some viewer if you need it. And the last thing is finance. Here you will see all transactions of this seller, and you can top up their balance by pressing this button, add funds, and here you can just add some money to their account. Note, for instance, that this is cash. Yes, we confirm it, and money were added to their balance. So once admin accesses the portal, they will see the following button, Reseller Portal. They press it and they are redirected to their page. So your reseller will see this page. This is the page that they will be working on. So first of all, when they want to top up their balance, here's the button, top up balance. They top it up. They can do this via the payment gateway you connected. This is your payment gateway. So they press it, they proceed to payment. Yes, they are redirected to a confirmation page. They complete the payment. Okay, they get back to their portal, and we can see that the balance was added. So then what else we can see? We can see today's sales, current month sales, and active vouchers. These are people that are active right now in their system. We can see a sales overview, recent transactions, and voucher status that they have. Also, in the voucher section, they can purchase vouchers that they will be reselling. These are your basically packages that you sell. So your reseller access this plan page, they select, for instance, 1-day bundle, they hit next. They, for instance, want to generate 20 different vouchers. Activation time will be in the expiration section, we can select the validity of the voucher. Let's set activation time, and the voucher will be active during 1 day. So we hit next. Then we have two options, to dedicate from the balance or to pay with payment gateway again. So yeah, we have balance money, so we will dedicate from here. So yeah, we confirm the order and vouchers are generated now. Once generated, you can view them or instantly export to PDF or CSV, for instance, file, and you can use it. Once we press export to PDF, we can select a template, for instance, or you can just ask to have your own basically voucher template with your logo, but let's select the default one. We hit export and vouchers will be exported to the PDF that you can further print out later. So we download and we can see that all vouchers ready to be used. So basically, that's it. Here you can see also in the finance section, every operation history from this reseller. You as a main administrator, you can have multiple companies that you can manage centrally from one account. Again, this method will be popular in areas where users prefer to pay with cash. It's easy to manage. You receive money upfront from your resellers, and they are responsible for selling it, because it's also beneficial because they receive hard cash for all these operations. I hope this video helps you, and in case you have any questions, you can always ask our team and we will help you with the best strategy for your business.